Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Skylight calendar isn't syncing, new appointments may stay on your original calendar service instead of appearing on the Skylight display, or changes may take much longer than expected to show up. Since we've already covered Wi Fi, missing event filters, and iCloud specific reconnects, this time we are checking the sync source and Skylight profile configuration. Skylight allows calendars to be assigned to specific profiles, and its current support guidance also recommends checking the calendar's sync status before removing and reconnecting anything. This helps identify whether the problem is the calendar connection itself or simply where the events are being displayed. 1. Open my Skylight, then click Sync Calendars. 2. Locate the calendar that isn't updating. 3. Check that the calendar shows as connected, active. 4. Open Manage Profiles and select the affected profile. 5. Confirm the problem calendar is assigned to that profile. 6. Create a small test event in the original calendar and check Skylight for the update.